Talk to me, guys.
Partially polarized set of moving pulsars, amplitude modulated.
We're locked. Systems check out, signal across the board. What's the frequency?
4.4623 gigahertz. Hydrogen times pi. Told you.
Strong sucker, too. I got it! I'm patched in.
All right, let me hear it. Listen to that. Make me a liar, fish.
Could be AWACS out of Kirtland jamming us, but I'm doubting it.
All right, let's see if Fudd's reading it too. Willie, patch it back and give me the off axis. Are we recording?
Never stop.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker, and I didn't know if you could connect into the Starliner and let me keep mic and let you hear it. I don't know what's making it, but I don't know if it's something that maybe is connected between here and there, making that happen. But anyway, can you do that?
We can configure that, Butch. Give us a minute, and I'll call you back when it's ready. All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time, and I'll let y'all scratch your heads and see if you can figure out what's going on. Here we go.
All right, freeze.
Reverse values.
Try zooming out again. Rotate 90 degrees counterclock.
Okay. What's going on? I'm not gonna believe this.
Does anybody speak German?